Yes, people, welcome back to the Subbed Off Early podcast. Myself, Tez, aka the Gaffer Tez.
And myself, George, aka Coach Carter.
Yes. Go on, George. You can start this week, man.
Why do I need to start?
Because I know you got a lot to say. Because as soon as that full-time whistle,
where's the Champions League trophy?
Champions League trophy.
What's this one?
That's called the Premier League.
Oh,
You might
Premier
win
League.
that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been 13
that
years.
was last year. That was last week, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was last
What's
week.
this scarf? Is this a new scarf?
That's a scarf for the Premier League title. Yeah.
Oh,
Arsenal champions.
is this Budapest 2026?
No,
it's not that one.
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Sorry. Okay, cool.
No.
Welcome, guys. For the big clubs only. Told you, Tez. I told you already. You're not a big club. Yeah, I told you already. So, listen, I don't really need to do too much. Anyway, PSG done enough for us. They saved football. They saved us. Yeah, you can shine that off as well. We know you got the Premier League trophy.
Sorry,
You know you got the Premier League trophy. Yeah, just like Leicester, just like other clubs. Yeah, we got that trophy. It's not a problem, man. It's not a problem. But when it comes to the big boys and the big trophies, you're not at the table. And I keep telling you, you're not at the table. Just in case you guys didn't know, in 2006, Arsenal lost in Paris. In 2026, they lost to Paris. Just to let you guys know, Arsenal got a bit of a phobia for the word Paris. Yeah, they can't get over the line. Tez, you can wear your hat, you can dust it off and whatnot, but deep down inside you, when you missed that penalty, you know how you felt. You know how you felt. So, guys, listen, Arsenal, congratulations for this. You deserve all the thing. But this is last week business. This is what I'm trying to say. He's trying to bring last week's stuff in to make himself feel better. But it's cool, man. Right. It's cool. Let's get on to the match, Tez. Because I want to hear your explanation for your team.
Hold on.
Let's get on to the match. Yeah, keep dusting it off.
We got quite a few things to talk about.
Guys,
so first of all, when's the last time you had one of them?
Guys, this is what I'm saying. This is not the subject
When's the last
this week.
time
This is not
you had
the
one
subject.
of them?
Okay, 2013. Wow.
All right,
Can we move
cool.
on?
13
What
years ago.
happened this
13
weekend? What
years
happened this
ago.
weekend, guys? See,
Hey.
they're so hurt that they can't even come there and congratulate PSG and just say, you know what, you guys
We
were
haven't got
better
there
than
yet.
us.
I'll just let you have your moment because
cool.
as soon as that that penalty was missed, I got a voice note from George straight away.
Was that me?
Yes, 100%. I can play it in the mic if you want. Yeah?
Go on, play it. Play it.
No, I'm not playing it. Yeah, but you know what it is? Credit to my team, man. Well done, Arsenal, man. We won the Premier League. We got to a Champions League final. Now, no chance. Anyway, I just want to say, I just think it's shameless. It's embarrassing from rival fans. When we were getting fourth, we got laughed at. Yeah? When we were fourth, got laughed at. We finished second, we got laughed at. You win the Premier League and go to a Champions League final and lose to the best team in the world on penalties.
Oh, now they're the best team in the world. The
they not?
undefeated team that went through the whole Champions League, undefeated.
Hold
Now
on.
all of a sudden saying another team is better than them. That's how
I
you know.
gave you your moment.
Small mentality.
Yeah?
Small mentality.
We won the Premier League after 22 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to the Champions League final. They thought they could laugh at us. We're still sitting here with this trophy.
That's not what we're
13
talking about. It's
years,
not
you
about
ain't
that was
seen
last week's
the
business.
trophy.
Guys,
You ain't seen it.
Guys, that's
You ain't
last week's.
seen
You
it.
see what I'm saying about small clubs?
No,
they just keep
it's
going
nothing
on
to
about
do
the
with
little
that.
minor things.
You know what
won
it is?
last week. You
These
won.
rival fans, they
What?
just want one over
Guys,
us.
what
They're
happened on
laughing at us.
Saturday?
The next day, we had a hangover cure. We had the parade. We were out there chilling over a
I'll let you
million.
go, man.
Over a million people deep in
Guys, I'll let Tez go.
Islington.
I'll let Tez go.
It was
'cause
fantastic. We had some drinks, we lit some flares, we
Last
partied a little bit. We saw our team parading. We saw them. We said, don't worry, boys, man. You brought us home the Premier League. Then we can push on. Don't worry about it. There's certain clubs, 13 years they ain't won it. So-called big club. They ain't won their own domestic league.
When's the last time you won the Champions League?
We've never won it.
Oh, okay then. So you see, guys, we can all pull out our little stats and facts. What happened on Saturday?
What happened? We know what happened.
That's what the audience wants to know. What happened?
Are a level above us.
They're a level above you, but
Yes.
you went undefeated the whole tournament.
It happens.
But they're a level above you.
Yes.
So what level are you?
We're below them, one level. What do you want me to say?
Guys,
and it went to
this is the
a
poor
penalty shootout.
mentality.
It's not
of
poor.
a small
We know
club.
what we are.
What are you?
Champions of England.
Okay, great.
Nah, but look, all right, if you don't want me to be on a silly one, yeah, because this is
Are we setting
rival
banter
fans.
aside?
For now.
Okay, for now.
For now, we'll
Okay.
come back to it because there's going to be banter.
Okay,
There'll
yeah.
always be banter, and it's part of football. Banter is a
Yeah.
part of football. Now, I think scoring. Look, PSG were just better than us. Yeah, and people laughed at me when I said. Do you remember when I said? And people laughed at me, and this is going to be proven. Right now, I'm celebrating this, and I thank Mikel Arteta. But when I said he needs to go, even if we win the Premier League, everyone looked at me. Now, this is what I was talking about, domination, yeah? I'm not saying Arteta, I'm giving him one more year because I need to see improvements.
Oh, you're giving him one more year, yeah?
Can I go?
Oh,
Can I go?
Sorry.
Yeah,
my bad,
and I
my bad.
always said that. I said that even when I said that statement, yeah? I said, he'll get another year, but I need to see attacking football and domination. And if people are wondering what that looks like, it looked like PSG versus Arsenal. Yeah? PSG, we knew, look, they had, 75% possession of the ball. Yeah? They dominated us. Now, yes, everyone keeps saying, but they didn't really create nothing. They didn't. But there was a 15-minute spell when they won that penalty where we looked under it, where they were pushing on. We couldn't get out. None of our midfield players were brave enough to get on the ball. Our wingers couldn't do anything because they're not good enough. Saka hasn't been fit and been firing all season. So when he's up against Nuno Mendes probably the best left back in the world, if not top 2, top 3 max. All these guys, he pocketed Saka. He said, Saka, I've got you. Trossard against Hakimi. Hakimi, arguably top 3 in the world as a right back, hasn't played all season. Cool. Their midfield 3, all ball players, all intense. Their front 3, yeah. Their front 3, all dynamic, all run at you. So what we've done is sat back. Now that goal, some people might have said it was a bit. It hurt us a little bit as well because as soon as we scored, we just reverted to type and we said, let's sit back and try and counter attack.
Should that have been a goal, by the way? Should that have been a goal?
Yeah, why not?
Havertz's goal. Okay, cool.
Great finish, by the way, Havertz.
Okay.
Yeah. But other than that goal, Havertz did not have a great game. He kept falling over. He kept looking for things. Just not good enough, unfortunately. Yeah. Trossard hasn't got the pace. Hakimi locked him down. The midfield, Skelly, Rice, and Odegaard. Odegaard was horror, by the way. He had a really bad game. He was the guy that we were looking for to get on the ball and keep it. He couldn't do anything. Rice. This guy's a Rice hater.
I'm just asking. I'm just listening.
Yes, they don't want the ball. Skelly, they don't want the ball.
100 million, they want the ball in the biggest moment.
I'm not hearing it.
Okay, cool. I'm just guys,
Because as the game went on, you saw what Rice offers you because he kept going and kept going. And when their ball players came off the park, we looked a little bit better. When Vitinha, Fabian Ruiz, Kvaratskhelia, Dembele, all these guys came off the park, you could see. But for us, it's nothing to do with Rice's problem. Yeah, it's the system that we play. You can't be playing long balls forward and expecting these guys to be chasing up because what we were playing was risk-free football. And that's what Arteta has been doing a lot of risk-free football. And that is when I say that he needs to change it for next year. Now, we know that there's going to be quite a few players leaving. We know there's going to be incoming players. Now, them incoming players are going to be massive to where we go from here because I think we'll be back in the Champions League final. Yeah, I think we'll get it. I think we're going to get it. At the first time, City didn't win it. PSG didn't win it. These men hit finals and lost. I don't care what you're thinking.
You're not on
but
that level. Why did
yes,
they,
I know
why
we're not
do
on
they
that
think
level.
they're on that level? Oh, PSG won and Man City won, but didn't win it the first time. You're not on that level. You're not a big club like that. Stop talking like you're on that level. You're not on that level, but carry on. Sorry for interrupting you.
Okay, so we're not a big club like that right now. Okay, according to George. But if we go and sign some big boy players, which they said they're going to invest and they're going to go do it, and we win the Premier League again next year, and we reach the Champions League final again next year, or in the next couple of years, and we win it, we're going to see who's a big boy club and who's not. But we are a big boy club. Over 1 million at the parade. Just that alone.
How many?
Big boy.
I'll get
million.
onto that after, but go on.
Over
go on.
a
Sorry
million.
for interrupting you again. Sorry.
It's
Go on.
all right, man.
Go on.
It's my time. But congratulations, PSG. You were the better team. Yeah? You deserve to win because for me, if you're going to win a final, yeah, we tried to hold on all the way. Yeah. We didn't really go for it. We didn't really push for it. When we went 1-0 up, we didn't go for it. We just sat back. We had a couple chances here and there. We went to penalties. Unfortunately, wasn't meant to be. And that was it, really. PSG won. I'm not sitting here saying, we should have won or whatever. There was some controversial decisions that could have went either way. Madueke, Stonewall penalty. 100% it's a pen. Saka's one. He miskicked it with no one around him.
But that's not a pen.
I don't think it is. Accident.
So it hits both arms, but it's not a pen, guys.
Complete accident.
So do you see what I'm saying? That's why referee, well done. Referee, well
Referee
done.
had
This
a
is what you got to
stinker.
deal with. This is what you got to deal with, referee. So when anyway, sorry for interrupting you again.
It's
Sorry.
all right. Go on.
Go on.
You can see
No, go on.
these rival fans.
Nah.
They try to get
You're not
under
our
our
rivals,
skin.
by the way. You're not our rivals.
Oh, now we're not their rivals.
rivals.
But as soon as that penalty went over the bar, George is on my phone,
What did I tell you last week?
screaming and shouting.
What did I tell you last week?
Just remember, champions of England.
Guys,
22
we're not
years
talking
we
about
waited.
that. We've
You're
already
not
spoken about that.
shameless. You're embarrassing.
Guys, go to the
You
old
can do
episode to
whatever.
see what that was, yeah? That Champions of England, that episode. We've done that already. We're talking about
still-
Champions League this week. That's what we're talking about.
How
We ain't
did
talking
you
about
get on
this.
in the Champions
Don't
League this
worry
year?
about
How
this.
did you
Listen,
get
what I'm
on?
saying. Listen,
How did
that's
you
it.
get on in the Champions
If
League
that makes
this
you
year?
feel better at night, that's fine.
How did you get on?
That's
How-
fine.
answer the question. How did you get on?
That is fine,
How did you
guys.
get on?
When did you win the Champions League? When's the last
Doesn't-
time you won the Champions League? We can
You
all
won
do
it.
these questions.
Yeah, but you won it when?
We can all
When
do
did you win
When
it?
did you win it?
When did you win it? When did you win it?
2009. When did you
When
win
did
it?
you never.
When did you
When
win
did
it?
you last in the Premier
Never.
League?
So, guys are talking to me about never.
Man,
and
talking to
still
me
talking
about history.
Champions League. Leicester won this, guys. Just let you know. Yeah? Just over a decade ago, Leicester won this. So
We've
it's
won it a
not-
few times.
So,
We got a gold
guys,
one as
so,
well.
Guys,
We
don't
got a
speak to
gold
us-
one.
Don't speak to us about that.
You
league
got a gold
titles.
one?
Yeah. Are you on 20? How many league titles you got? 20?
No.
How many you got?
League titles?
Yeah, how many you got?
I'm not sure.
How many Prems you got?
Off the top
How
of my
many
head. Prems, we got 4 now.
4. Out of how long has the Premier League been existing? About 40 years now? 30, 40 years? Oh, okay, so you got 4. So this is what I'm saying. Arsenal fans,
We got 4.
please, United are
Premier
not
Leagues.
United are not the club to be coming and spitting trophy stats at us. We're not that club. Go to other clubs, the Chelseas and maybe, but not us. Not us.
So
what
you
I'm
have-
going to say,
how many Premier League titles you got?
13.
How many gold ones you got?
Okay, you got a gold one. Fantastic. So you would rather have a gold one than have 12 more titles. Is that what you're saying?
talking history,
Is that
man.
what you're saying?
We're talking
No,
history.
but is that what you're saying?
We're talking history.
Okay, but Champions League, that's what we're talking about. So leave this alone.
You melt all them
Leave
13
this
league titles
alone.
down, and that
Leave
gold
this-
one is still
leave
worth
this
more than
alone.
yours.
This was last week's episode. So guys, if you want to talk about
This is for the whole
title
season.
celebration,
Stop
yeah,
touching it
last
until
week,
you
yeah?
win it.
Last week, don't worry about that.
Yeah, don't touch it
But
until
anyway,
you win
Tez,
it.
have you finished?
Yeah, I'm finished. Go on.
Cool. So where are we going to start off? I don't even know where to start off. Number one, like I said, Tez always reverts back to blaming Arteta for every little thing that happened.
I didn't blame him.
But no, you saying that this is what Arteta does and he
that's his style of football.
reverted back to type. You said he reverted,
reverted back to
cool.
type.
But what I'm saying is what I saw, guys, yeah, I'm even going to talk about Arsenal before. What I saw, forget the whole percentage and possession. Guys, that's the most overrated stat sometimes. If I'm just playing the ball at the back, I've got 100% possession. It doesn't matter. Cool. PSG still couldn't penetrate Arsenal. Arsenal did very well holding the middle. Arsenal are very good defensively.
Yeah, defensively
you need to
was
play.
solid, yeah.
You need to play to your strengths at the end of it. And they gave PSG respect. If that was an open game, Arsenal would be finished. And everybody knows that. But it can't be an open game. And that's what it is. But for me, I saw a young boy from the academy who held up that midfield. That's what I saw. And I saw a 100 mil player who didn't want to get on the ball. From his words, by the way. Not mine.
This guy
his words.
hates Rice.
It's not about hating Rice.
You
what I'm saying,
hate
if
Rice.
I pay...
You wish you were Man United. You wish. You're salty. I've
If
clocked
I
it.
pay 100 million for a midfielder, I'm
you are
expecting you to go up
salty.
against Vitina, against João Neves and Fabian Ruiz. I'm expecting you to be the top midfielder. Hold on, what did you say? What happened during the game? Who went off?
You are
Who went off, Tez?
salty.
Tez, are you going to answer my question?
You really wish Rice was at United, didn't it? You're so vexed that he didn't come to you.
This
lot.
is not about Rice. Yeah?
So
This is about
vexed.
Arsenal fans overhyping their team and overhyping their players. When you saw in the final, Miles Lewis-Skelly, big up to you. Yeah, big up to you. And if they don't want to give you minutes, Miles, you can come Man United anytime.
Of course.
But what I'm saying is
You would want
Miles
him.
is the one that held it up. If Miles probably a bit older, he probably wouldn't have gassed out like he did. Because I thought he played really well. I thought Miles Lewis-Skelly played really well in that midfield. He was Arsenal's top midfielder. Forget the captain who got subbed again and forget the 100 mil player. So I'm not trying to hear from any of those guys. Good, that's number one. Number two, that Havertz goal shouldn't have stood. Everybody knows the rules. If the handball helps you to go and score, it should be pulled back VAR. They didn't even look at it. Yeah, the commentary didn't even look at it. Nobody looked at it because
not
it's
true.
because it's Arsenal. So cool,
Because
no
it didn't
problem.
hit. It didn't hit.
Then we get to number 3. Then
Didn't
we
hit
get to
Havertz's hand. Hit Trossard.
yeah. So Trossard helped him the ball go forward. Correct.
And
So you bring it back. No,
hands were here, man.
No. So
Hands were here.
No. Okay, hands were here. Cool.
You know the
But he's-
European rules are
But
different.
he's doing this.
You know the European rules
but
are different.
But he's doing this. Okay,
Europe's
cool.
rules are
so
different.
guys, cool. That's a goal. Number 3.
You wouldn't know that because you haven't been in the Champions League.
Saka. Oh my days. I would have even listen. The referee decision here. I would have gave Saka that if it hit one arm and he cleared it. It hit one arm. Then came on to the second arm and fell right on his left foot and he cleared it. How that's not a penalty or even being looked at, that's beyond me. Now, Madueke's penalty. When I first saw it, Tez, is it my time?
Yeah, go on.
Cool. When I first
If you
saw
say
it,
it's not a penalty.
listen, when I first saw it, I said Stonewall penalty.
It's definitely.
Stonewall penalty. I was like, referee's gonna have a look at that.
you
blah, blah.
tell me
But
Madueke
once
grabbed
you saw
him-
it again,
if you tell me-
saw it yourself. Everyone
I
saw it.
knew you was gonna say
Madueke grabbed his armpit and then went down to the ground. So it's not a penalty, guys.
So who got their arm across?
From the camera. No, he didn't
And who got their arm across?
How'd you get your arm across if your arm's cuffed in? How's it across? Across is this. That's across.
You're a madman.
He's cuffed his arm.
You're a madman.
You might want to go and watch that
He got
again.
the-
But this is
did
what Arsenal
many
fans do
times.
anyway. This revisionist sort of, let's blame the referee. But at the end of the day, guys, for me, a lot of people say football won and stuff like that. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that sort of thing. Arsenal played to their strengths. They got an early goal and they played to their strengths because they know that PSG don't have one of those. They don't have a Gyökeres or they don't have one of those strikers where you can just put it in a box.
Ramos.
They have to, yeah.
He was coming on.
Yeah, it was coming.
Always.
But they gotta play intricate football to get their chances. And Arsenal knew that. So the smart thing to do, guys, is to block up the middle. I'd even had no problem with what Arsenal was doing. Like, obviously, as a neutral, you want to see the games that happen with Bayern Munich and PSG as a neutral. 5-4, back and forth, that's cool. But Arsenal playing that game, that's just suicide. You can't play that against PSG if you don't have the players
No
to do
one
it.
asked them to do that. It was just more. We wanted a little bit more
But
because
even-
we were too safe. It was too much. It was 85. You're trying to hold on for 85 minutes. It's not going to work. It's not going to work.
But to be fair, Tez, when did Odegaard come off? When did he get subbed off?
Probably around 70.
Yeah, so I was quite
Something
confused
around
with
them sort of
Arteta
time.
with that, but then I understood what he was doing when he started doing the tactic of going longer because he could see physically PSG were fading.
I thought that was a bad
Yeah.
sub. I thought Eze
No.
should have come on.
At first, I thought it was a bad sub, but then when he started going longer and Havertz was winning the ball, Gyökeres, it just didn't find that last bounce. I could see why he brought them on, but then obviously Havertz tanked out, so he had to come off, and Eze came on and did nothing and whatnot. But for me, guys, listen, and going on to the last bit, the penalty, everybody said this on the internet. The internet's undefeated, online's undefeated. Listen, if Gabriel is stepping up, he's just played 120 minutes trying to stop Dembele and the crew.
I'm not gonna
getting
lie.
past him, yeah? And you have Madueke and Zubimendi just standing there in the huddle, watching your centre-back, and you guys came on fresh, and you guys are letting your centre-back, who is mentally and physically drained, step up to take a penalty. The 5th penalty to either win it for you or save you and keep you in. Nah, that mentality there, I'm looking at that.
I've got a feeling, yeah, because when I saw Gabriel stepping up, I didn't have a good feeling. I was like, I've
Tez.
never even seen him take a pen. I've seen Saliba, and then my thing was, why is Madueke not stepping up?
This is
You
what I'm
was
saying.
fighting Nicholas Jackson
saw
at
that.
Chelsea a few
And
years
Palmer.
ago, and
Both,
Palmer.
yeah.
No, it was Jackson,
Yeah.
and then I think someone come and grabbed the ball and gave it to Palmer. I said, both of you not taking this, is Palmer.
Listen, that
but
was
for
poor.
me, Madueke's got to step up. But from what I'm hearing, Gabriel wanted to take it. And what it is, I've been, we've been in penalty shootouts in our lives. So I think he thought, let me step up. I've had a good game. Let me try and win it.
Then Gabriel, that's poor from you.
Yeah, it was a bad penalty.
That's
but
very poor.
Eze's penalty was bad. He didn't even need to do that, man. That keeper was bad.
But he does it all the time.
And
he does that run up all the time. So it's not like he changed
I
it
know,
up.
but he
does it all the
misses a
time.
lot.
Yeah, that's fine.
He misses
but
a lot.
it's
And I remember
penalties, innit?
someone telling him, one of his Palace teammates, can't remember who it was, but said, stop doing that run up. Like, just put it in the back of the net. You got good ball striking.
Yeah.
Like, just shoot.
But listen,
But someone's
overall,
got to lose on penalties. It
I get
always
that,
happens, isn't it?
but Tez, overall, like I said,
Gabriel was immense, by the way.
No, he was.
Capier was immense.
Defensively, the backline was really good. Even the guys in front there was really good and kept it solid. But for me, overall, PSG did deserve it and whatnot. Overall, obviously the way they played and stuff like that. But For me, Arsenal, this is why. Tez told us last week, you better not let us win the Champions because we're going to be unbearable. So I don't want to hear no Arsenal fans talking about rivals.
We're still unbearable.
Look how they're moving and this, that, and the other. We're going to move how we want to move. At the end of the day,
Trophy.
we're the big European. When we sit around the table and everyone's talking about European football and European cups and the history, you're not in the conversation, and that's what burns you the most.
Cup
That's why
winners'
you got to keep. What do you say? Cup winners' cup? Ain't that the Conference League now?
Yeah.
Yes. So you won the Conference League back in the day, no problem. But for me, listen, Tez, all banter aside, yeah, all banter aside. I know we banter each other and stuff like that, but for me, Arsenal. You can't be mad at your season at all.
I'm not mad.
No, I'm not mad at
all.
No, there are some Arsenal fans that I've spoken to in terms of that game right there. It left a sour taste. They're still going to celebrate the parade, but it left a sour taste.
Of course, you're in a Champions League final. We thought we could win it. But the thing is, I said it was not going to be easy against PSG. PSG are the best team. They won it last year as well. You know what I mean? And then they've improved their squad. All their players have been resting for the last 6-7 weeks as well. They've been chilling. Their league was wrapped up when? They had, our one pretty much went till the last week.
Okay, that's not an excuse, man.
It's not an excuse, but what I'm saying is...
You guys had about 10 to
listen, our season was very stressful. Very, very stressful.
But Tez, if you want to be on if you want to be them big boy clubs or doing them big boy things, this is what it is. It's mentally taxing. That's what it is.
Yes, but I get that. But you see this Premier League right here, which we got over the line with... Yeah, this should have been wrapped up a month before.
Yeah, but it's like you said, it's a.
But that's what I'm saying. So all these things have an effect on the players. They're knackered. Like they've been trying to fight every single game. PSG, it has a little effect. They've been chilling. You know what I mean? And also, it doesn't help that they're cold. They're just a sick team. They've got some of the best players. They've got 3 of the best midfielders.
But they came off
world.
and you didn't do anything. So this
doesn't matter.
No, of course it matters. They came
off.
off.
It doesn't, because the players they're bringing on, like Barcola,
Clash, what's his name again? I keep pronouncing his name wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one on there. He was injured, by the way, coming into the game. Everyone knows that. He was injured coming to the game. He didn't actually do nothing. Yeah?
He won a penalty, though.
Yeah.
One little switch off from Mosquera.
Which that should have been a second yellow, but Arsenal fans don't want to talk about that. But anyway, it is what it is. But listen, guys, I'm going to go on to actually you guys in your parade the next day. What? They said 1 million and whatever. Guys, I see some guys out there that don't even watch football. Yeah, so guys, for the guys like Tez, for the guys like Tez,
Liverpool, Chelsea,
for the guys like Tez, like even the real fans
fan.
Or whatever. Cool, guys. I hope you enjoyed your parade and do your thing. But there are some guys, there's shameless guys out there that are putting up on their Instagram. You don't even watch football. Now all of a sudden you're an Arsenal fan. You're hitting the parade like it's carnival. Nah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm not having that. So that 1.5 million that they're talking about, at least 500,000 of those guys are just there for carnival.
500,000. That's a bit of a stretch. That's a bit of a stretch.
But you know what I'm saying, Tess? Like there was a loads of people, and any United fans that were there as well.
There was better United fans.
Any United fans that were there.
Liverpool.
Your pass is revoked.
You know what, man? That
revoked.
It was sick. It was a good parade, man. Like it was a nice hangover cure. Like we went into a bit of like, oh, we're gutted, we lost and whatever. But it was like next morning, all right, let's just go up Islington. The team's here. Let's just celebrate. And we're over it. Of course, we're gutted we didn't win the Champions League. That would have been insane. But it was like, you know what? 22 years, we haven't won this league title. And it's time now, like, again, banter aside, George, now is the time. When you're talking about big boy clubs, if we want to be a big boy club, now it's time to dominate. Now is the time.
I agree.
Yeah, because the league's a mess. The league is in limbo, I want to say. It's like everything's changing.
Yeah.
You know, Arteta's the only manager left in the league that's won a Premier League title.
No, but what I'm saying is that now you are now the Man City.
Well, that's what we need to be.
Yes, you are now the Man City.
We need to be.
And everybody else is now.
That's why when I'm saying now, Arteta, and I get to Arteta, now, are you going to go treat yourselves as the Man City and be positive? Are we going to, like Kroenke, you see how much Kroenke was involved now? Yeah, you see him all on the pitch, at the parade, partying, whatever,
Kroenke,
enjoying.
You have to be careful with them lot.
Listen.
You have to be careful. See, and this is where, I know they're talking about a new contract for Arteta. He's going to get his money. That's cool. But you have to be aware of these Kroenkes, because I look at the clubs that they've had, and they've been successful over the last 10 years. I think the Rams won a Super Bowl.
Nuggets.
The Nuggets won a championship. But I've seen the reaction to what they've done after that, and they ain't really kicked on, like in terms of
they
they ain't
just went
pumped
and
the money.
signed Miles Garrett.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Rams,
Obviously,
the
they're
next
kicking
day,
in
yeah.
now, but what I'm saying is that they haven't done the you've won it and let's go dominate for year in year
Yeah,
out. Do you
but
get
we're
I'm
gonna.
saying?
This
Haven't
is
put
what
the
I'm
money.
saying. So this is what I expect from Arsenal now, and the reports that have come out is Arsenal are ready to seriously invest in players now. So look, we can go through some players that we're being linked to, like Morgan Rogers, which I think will be a great signing.
To play where?
Left wing, centre mid, whatever.
Well, you
Like,
can't
as
say
in,
whatever because you know what your manager is, Ted. You can't just say whatever. Where is he going to play in your system with the way your
George,
manager
you
is?
see the way I look at it, yeah? You know when you've got quality players, people are saying the same thing about Eze. Just get them through the door and then whoever's performing plays. It's simple. Man City done it for years. United done it for years. Yeah, the best team, Chelsea done it for years. Whoever performs, plays. It's not like, oh, Morgan Rogers is going to come. Oh, where's he going to start? No, Morgan Rogers, go and earn your shirt now. You're the Premier League champions. Go and earn your shirt. Where do you want to play, Morgan? Do you want to play number 10 or do you want to play left wing? Because you got to earn one of them spots. That's the way I look at it. I don't look at, oh, where is he going to play? But you got Martinelli, you got Trossard, you got
No. I'm
Madueke,
not saying
you got Odegaard,
I'm
you
not
got
saying
Eze.
that-
No, get the best
I know,
players
but
in.
I'm saying I'm not talking like that. I'm talking about like, see when I'm asking these sort of questions, like I'm on the reality thing. I know what you're saying if you're the manager, but I'm talking about your manager as
Yeah, but he can
brings
play
him
10 and he
but-
can play left wing.
but
So
that's what
which
I'm
one
saying.
are you going to earn?
But what I'm saying is he that Arteta that is what I'm trying to ask is Morgan Rogers that player that can kick you onto domination?
Hold on, that's one.
No, that's
You
one.
go
I'm-
sign Julian Alvarez.
That's not
another good
happening.
sign. But
That's
I'm
not-
just saying,
I'm
them
just
sort
saying,
of that
guys,
caliber.
He's going Barcelona, so let's forget him.
I'm hearing that he's not going.
He's going Barcelona.
If he goes, he goes. Go and sign Vinny Jr. Mbappe.
See Vinny Jr. now. That could
But
be
this
one.
is
Could be
the
one.
sort of investments I want. Like we were laughing at Anthony Gordon. I went and signed for, what was it 60, 70 million
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
for Barcelona. That's insane. Yeah? And he'll do well out there as well.
I like Andy Gordon, man.
Yeah, he's a good
He's a
player.
good player, man. I like
But yeah, so when you're looking at these players now, I want to see who the investment. Are you going to go sign a Tonali? Are you going to go sign someone else that's going to be are you going to start changing the style? Because the style we had this year, now how do we get to that Man City level, that PSG level, that Barcelona, that Real Madrid, that domination level? Because there's not many teams that were able to do it.
No, that's true.
You know what I mean? So how are you going to get there? And the only way to do it is by clearing out. So like people like Trossard, he's 31 now. It's time to go. You know? Like I don't mind as a squad player if he stays, but I don't really want to see Trossard starting on my left wing. I want my bad boy left winger, my Vinny Jr., whoever it is starting. Yeah, Martinelli. He can go. If people want to sign him, I'm hearing AC Milan or whatever, 50, 60 million, sign him. Gabriel Jesus, I don't want to see him on the bench no more. You know, like his best years are behind him. You got people like Norgard. Don't want to see Norgard even. I know he didn't play much, but I don't want to see him. So Havertz or Gyökeres has done well for me. I like Gyökeres. I think he got better as the season went along. Havertz, Arteta loves him. I'm not his biggest fan, I'll be honest with you. Because even after, he scored a great goal. Yeah, his finish was brilliant. Yeah, for me, too weak up front. How many times we just drop in? Come on, make her you kept looking for the foul. The ref's not giving it. Try and hold it up a little bit. So you need an out-and-out striker, whether it is someone like a Julian Alvarez or Osimhen or, I don't know, whoever. They're the guys, isn't it? There's big scouting teams there. Go and find the next superstars, whoever they are. But you need to go and invest. We need a right back because Timber's been injured. Ben White's out. You need a replacement for him. Hincapié, I love him. I think he can stay. Buy out I got an option to buy on him. Calafiori, I like. We're talking about Tino Livramento could be coming over, which I think is a very good signing. He can play on the left or right. I think we definitely need to bolster that midfield. If Odegaard goes, I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, which I don't think he will, because Arteta again loves these sort of players. But he might have to drop into the 8, drop Rice a bit. I don't know, but we need to bring in some more players, and we need to be more attacking as a team now. We can't go out there. You're not bottlers no more, boys. You're not the bridesmaids. You're not second again, ole ole. You won the league. now go and become the favourites and become that team that dominates. That's what I want to see now. Because, look, I'm not taking nothing away from Arteta. He's done amazing. But I think a lot of top managers would have won the league with that Arsenal squad this year. A lot of top managers.
I'm not about that.
I think they would have.
I don't know about that.
I think they would have.
But he's
there
won
was
it
a lot.
though.
He has.
So,
No, and I'm not taking... But like I said, the next year, I need to see progression in the football now. Because every team has progression in their football. You are now champions. Act like champions. You're not the underdogs. You're not babies no more. Go and act like it. And that's what I want to see from my team now. Yes, we're Premier League champions. I'm happy. Trust me. Great season. They got to the Champions League final. Yes, people are saying we're not on the level. We're not a big boy club. Whatever. Cool. We're not. We didn't win the Champions League. Simple as that. If we won it, I would be sitting here. Champions League trophy would be here as well. And I'll be gloating, showboating, like I said before. But for me, we need to go win that Champions League within the next couple of years because all over teams are a mess. Other than PSG, Real Madrid are not the same at the moment. Yes, Mourinho's going in, but they're not the same. Barcelona are not the same Barcelona. You haven't got City. We're going to see how Maresca does when he goes in there, if everything's true that he is going to be there. Yeah, you got Liverpool, obviously, Slot sacked. Yeah, he didn't win. He won the trophy first season, sacked second season, which I thought was a bit harsh. What do you think? Bit harsh?
Yeah, for
He
me.
has had a lot of injuries.
But for me, Liverpool panicked. That's how I see it. They panicked.
But you know what? I think they also missed the boat. I know they're getting Iraola, and I like Iraola as a manager, good manager. But I think they really wanted Xavi Alonso.
But I think Xavi Alonso was not going to come in with that head coach stuff no more. After Real Madrid, he wasn't coming with that anymore. And they probably just said to him,
Yeah, but is he not a head coach at Chelsea?
No, he's the manager.
They made him manager.
They made him manager. So I think he came in. They've gone for Iraola, Liverpool. That probably gives a little bit of an indication that they probably did speak to Xavi Alonso, and he just had his requests on what he wanted.
Maybe.
And they said no.
But Iraola's top man. Like he's proved it.
He's
with
a good
Bournemouth.
man.
He's
He's
a
not
very
top.
well. We'll find out if he's top. Yeah, he's a good manager with the potential to be top.
He's good.
But I think that's going to take a little time for them to get used to his system. Because did I explain it? Like with Bournemouth, I clocked what they do.
What?
I don't know if I told you. Did I speak about this on the pod? No. Where I said like his tactical side of things, what he did against Man City. I don't think I spoke about it on the pod. So I clocked something. So again, I was watching it, and as a coach, I was like, "How's Iraola getting the best out of this team?" And he done it against Arsenal. And then when I watched City, I was like, "Okay, I realised what he does." So he doesn't panic. Yeah. So he gets up the field. So you know, like they're defending, right? So he'll have the legs to get up the field. Then instead of just like going for it, they recycle and they make the other team, whether it's Arsenal, City or whatever, go into shape. And then they'll play again. I was watching, I was like, oh my God, he's doing it every single time, pretty much. Yeah, there was a couple counter-attacks that were on. But more time, just watch you can't watch a Bournemouth game now, but if you go back and watch it, you'll see them, like, they'll break, and instead of, like, you're like, go forward, what are you doing? And then they'll just turn, and then they'll play, and then they'll just keep it, and they'll let the other team sit back into shape, and then they'll play, and then try and work it again. Just, again, I think it's more risk, because, like, if we lose it attacking, then we're going to be out of shape. So it kind of sits them, all right, let them all come back, and then we can, if we lose the ball, they're all behind the ball as well. I was quite impressed by it when I was watching it. It was quite good.
Okay.
Bit of tactical analysis for you guys.
No, I didn't even know. So that was good, man.
Yeah,
That was good to see.
It was wicked. Like if you go back and watch like the Bournemouth game or Arsenal game, I was like, okay, so against the big teams, this is what he's doing. Obviously, yes, they countered and whatever as well, but that's when City were really going for it and Arsenal were really going for it, and there was numbers and they were picking their time. But yeah, so we're gonna see with Iraola. It'll be good to see if he actually does that with Liverpool. That's something to look out for. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a good season. I'm just happy, man. I'm happy. I'm buzzing, man. I can't lie. As much as I was gutted, I'm still buzzing that we're Premier League champions after 22 years. Like it's been a long time, guys. I don't think you understand.
Guys, they're hurt. Don't let them fool you, man.
No, I'm not that hurt. I promise you, I'm not that hurt.
Downbeat. You saw that bus ride. Everyone saw that bus ride when they were just about to take off. You can see their faces. You can see Rice. You can see
tired,
Gabriel.
You
can see those. Oh, they're tired now. No, you're lost, guys.
Ben White weren't.
You lost the biggest.
You see Ben White on the bus.
Ben White's always been about vibes. He told you from day one. I don't even like football.
Yeah,
I'm just good
he
at
weren't.
it. like and whatnot.
Skelly
Guys,
was crying. He was so happy. He couldn't believe what he was seeing.
Guys, it's not they're not part of the big boy table.
Not yet, boys.
That's
but
all it is.
Guess what? We're going to win it one day. We're going to win it one day. And when we do, it's just going to taste even sweeter. They were bantering us about this for years. Guys, Arsenal fans, 22 years. They're laughing at us because we lost the Champions League final. Them man weren't even in it this year.
We're not laughing at you, though. We're not laughing at you for losing.
You keep
we're not
saying it.
We're not laughing
a
at
big
you
boy club.
for winning. It's just the way you lot go on. You go on like you are a big club.
We are.
Are you the biggest club in London? I told you you're not.
Yes, we are.
Guys, just because you got more fans don't mean you're just bigger
more
like that.
We've got more league titles than
That's
Chelsea.
cool.
We've
Guys,
got more trophies than Chelsea.
Guys, as you can tell
How did Chelsea win it? By cheating.
As you can tell.
By
as you can tell
cheating.
by the parade, there's so many people
That's why Abramovich is not here anymore, guys.
Guys, it's all good.
Why is Abramovich not here?
Have you won the European Cup? The biggest one. You ain't won it.
No,
so
we haven't.
When we're around the big boy table, when we're around this table, you guys are fine. You're in the conversation. But when we're around the big boy cup,
we're in the conversation because we're always there.
Yeah, okay, cool.
We're always there and about. So, and guess what? Last year, semi-final. This year, final. Next year, group stage, we're out. No, I'm joking. No, I'm joking. Nah, man, look, onwards and upwards, boys, man. I want to see more Premier Leagues. I want to see the double next year. Maybe a FA Cup, maybe a Champions League, maybe even a Carabao. We don't win that. We never really took the Carabao serious for years under Wenger. We never made that. Obviously, City smacked us this year as well. But we lost to Birmingham in there once. Obafemi Martins and them guys. No, Carabao Cup ain't for us. Champions League right now ain't for us. But when we do, don't let us crack that code, because when we do, it's going to be a fun time.
No, that's cool, man.
It's all about patience. You know, in life, you can't be greedy. Yeah, you got to share it out sometimes.
Now they're philosophers now, guys. Because they won the league, now they got the philosophy for everyone. That's what I'm saying,
we keep
guys.
The faith, guys. We keep the faith always, man. We keep the faith.
Listen, guys, what I was just happy about is that obviously that parade would have went on and on.
Oh,
if they had won the Champions
I'll still
League,
be there now.
They would have went on and on.
I would still be there
so
now.
what it was is started at 2, finished at 5, go to bed at 7. That's all we wanted. That's what we're just do your little parade and whatnot, and then go to bed, guys.
I'll be honest with you.
You're not with the big guys.
The parade was good, but for me, that Tuesday night after Bournemouth drew with City was still the best night, man.
Yeah, that's the initial reaction.
That was the best night. Like the way everyone pulled up to the Emirates that night. Like the parade was good, don't get me wrong, it was, but the parade was mental. Like there was so much stupidness going on. Couple incidents as well. Like, but I don't even know if these are Arsenal fans.
That's what I'm saying.
There was just like people, but there was some people walking around in PSG tops. Like, what do you expect?
Why would you do that for? That's
like
just
Tottenham, United. What are you doing?
That's just silly, man.
You're
asking for trouble.
Yeah.
You're just asking.
But also, guys, if there's like over 1 million people there and whatever, there's always gonna be too many people drinking. It's like any festival, anything. There's always a little bit of stupidness. You know what I mean? And them people as well, man. I know there's a lot of youngsters out there. There was a couple little incidents that shouldn't have happened. I think like 9 stabbings or something. But I don't know what that's about. It could be the youngsters. I don't know, whatever. But it's just like them little things. Guys, stop doing that, man. Like there's a parade going on. Everyone's happy. That's why I like the Tuesday better, because there was no bad vibes. It was just Arsenal fans and everyone was just happy. Don't get me wrong, parade was sick, music popping off, drinks everywhere. Everyone's enjoying. We had a little family section, my friend, his kids, and you know, like their family and kids, and we had certain people's mums there, and you know what I mean? Like it was a good atmosphere. You know what I mean? Everyone's been waiting.
I said, guys, with the parade, the females are let off. Yeah, all the females that went there, they don't watch no football, they don't even like football, I let you off because your boyfriends, your husbands, your brothers, they all support Arsenal. So you just came along for the vibes. It was a nice day. Weather's cool. I get that. But for you shameless men out there that I know for years that don't even watch football, that was out there in your Arsenal kits and vibing and dancing and this, I'm just like, oh my days, like bandwagoners. Like literally.
It's all right, man. You're all invited. Come and have fun, man.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. If
You know
that's
what I mean?
how Arsenal roll, then that's cool, man. But
It's
guys,
cool, man. Come and have fun, man. Enjoy it.
it's
As long
not
as you
that.
come there to enjoy and you're not doing no stupidness, you're good, man.
that's cool. But listen, bottom line is, listen, you're Premier League champions. That's gonna last for the season, whatever it is. But just calm yourself. Just. What did Haaland say last time? What did Haaland say?
Haaland.
What did Haaland say? What did
Where's
Haaland say?
mate?
Yeah, Haaland's won the Champions League, so he can talk. You get that?
Cool, man.
You get that?
Cool. That's oil money over there. That's oil money.
Oil, now it's oil money.
It was always oil money. It's not just
cool.
now.
Listen, he's a Champions
Really,
League winner.
you're gloating about
I ain't gloating about
your
right now.
rivals, your
I'm
actual
not gloating.
rivals,
I'm not gloating.
your
What I'm saying,
neighbours.
no, sorry, Tez.
That
Tez,
stinks. I would never refer to a Spurs.
Tez, I keep telling you, guys, Tez, I
Them
keep
man
telling
tried
you.
to even trade it. Sorry,
Tez,
Richarlison
Tez,
and Jed Spence.
Tez,
Allow it,
Tez,
boys. You were battling
Tez,
relegation.
I keep
Don't talk
telling
to
you,
us, man.
this
We're champions of
is
England.
the big boy table. So Haaland can be there. So we can have a conversation with Haaland and them guys. Because that the big boys, that you're not there yet. You thought you was going to be there. You thought it was going to happen.
So you ain't been a big boy for years.
What are you talking about?
You ain't been a big boy
But
for
you
years.
never have.
It's all right. We're champions of
That's
England.
my whole point.
You're not even
You
in
never
England.
have.
You can't even win
You
the English
never
league
have.
anymore.
Guys,
you
you
just
never
been watching
have.
Liverpool, Man City,
Guys,
your
it
closest
doesn't-
rivals
Tez,
win
I
it.
get you're
And
hurt.
now your Arsenal
Tez,
rivals.
I understand you're hurt.
I'm not hurt.
I get it. You
I'm not
thought
hurt.
you was
I'm
going to
not
come to the
hurt.
big
I
boy
can see
table.
the trophy
I
right
know,
there. I'm
last
looking at
week, wonderful, but this week,
beautiful.
when the levels were going up, you weren't rising with them levels.
Shameless and
what did they?
embarrassing.
And what did he say?
Shameless and embarrassing.
What did he say again? We PSG are a different level to us. Hold on, the team that went undefeated in the Champions League the whole season.
Shameless
You're
and
admitting another
embarrassing.
team's a different level.
I'm
to you.
surprised you ain't got your
Oh, my
PSG
days.
shirt on
It's
today.
crazy. It's crazy. I don't need to have my PSG shirt on.
I'm surprised, man.
I don't need to have it.
I'm
So,
surprised.
PSG,
Shameless and embarrassing
well done.
fans.
Thank you very much. I said straight away last week, I'm a PSG fan on Saturday. So
Of course
thank
you were.
you very
It's Arsenal
much.
versus everyone.
No, I don't come with that.
That's what it is. It's Arsenal versus everyone. We know what it is, guys. They can't stand that we've lifted this. Trust
guys,
me,
we
they
don't
are
mind
hurt.
you lifting that.
No,
we don't
you
mind
mind.
you. Have you lifted it before?
Mind. Yeah.
A couple times.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't mind. Leicester's lifted it.
When's the last time you
Blackburn's
lifted
it?
When's the
It's
last time you
cool.
lifted it?
Listen, you can do that last time. That's what I said. We'll go back to the Champions League. When's the last time you lifted that? Never.
Doesn't matter. When's the last time you
That's
lifted
what I'm
it?
saying. So it is what
When's
it
the
is,
last time
guys.
you lifted it?
Guys, it's cool.
When was the last time you lifted it?
Guys, I said I'm happy for you.
Yeah, but when was the last?
I'm happy for
No,
you.
the Champions League.
No, I'm happy for you.
When was you last time you lifted the Champions League?
2009. I'm happy for you
Wow.
guys. And guess what, guys? In
Wow.
2009, guys, guess what happened?
George didn't have no kids.
Guys,
His
guess,
life has changed.
Guess what happened in 2009?
George didn't even have kids back
Guys,
then.
guess what? Guess what happened in 2009?
He might have been in America.
There was a penalty shootout, and guess who held their bottle? Guess who held their bottle?
It wasn't Man United.
It was us. Of course, we won it. What are you
It wasn't
talking
Man
about?
United.
So who was it then? We
I
won
thought you
it.
was talking about this one.
No,
I
in
just tuned
Moscow,
out.
2009, we won the penalty
Moscow,
shootout.
2009.
What happened
Wow.
in Paris, 2006? What happened?
2009.
What happened? 2006. What happened? Oh, you lost in Paris. What happened in 2026? You lost to Paris. Guys, the word Paris just rattles them. So
Doesn't.
I know what it is.
Premier
but guys,
League champions, guys.
PSG, thank you very much.
Shameless
Arsenal, congratulations
and
for winning the Premier League. Wonderful.
They didn't even get in the
Blackburn
Champions
done
League
it.
this year.
Leicester done it. They're all in the
Blackburn
history
and Leicester
books,
have done
so
it
it's all
once.
good.
Arsenal have done it 4 times, and we've got a gold one.
You done it 4 times?
Yeah.
Before?
Yeah.
Was it
98.
98 goal was the other one?
21, 22,
Yeah,
23, 24,
yeah. And then this one.
and this one.
Jeez, in 30 years. Wow. It's fantastic, man. Great.
Yeah. How many times? You haven't
Don't come to us.
13
Don't
years.
come to us. Because we ain't won
How
it in
about Liverpool-
we ain't won it in 13 years and you still ain't caught up to us. So that tells a lot about you.
No, it doesn't. It tells you about the league. Abramovich money.
No, that tells you about
City,
you.
oil
that
money.
tells you about you.
We're just
haven't
an
even won it.
organic,
Where's it?
authentic
Hold on.
club
We haven't won
for
it
the
in
culture.
13 years.
We're amazing.
And we're still ahead of you.
amazing.
Oh my
We're
days.
amazing.
Oh, guys.
FA Cups?
Okay,
Who's got a record for that one, mate?
FA Cups now. See what I'm saying?
Oh,
But guys,
nah. Anything they lose at is this one now.
no, it's cool. innit?
This one
no,
now.
because guys, they just lower the bar. That's what they do. They lower the bar for themselves. 'Cause that's where they're at. But when we want to raise the bar, you're not around. So it's cool. It's not
It's
a problem.
cool, man. We're
It's not a
Premier
problem.
League champions.
That's good, man.
Yeah?
Congratulations.
Just remember this. This is here for a year.
Congratulations,
Maybe
guys.
even I might get a new one next year when we win it again.
Congratulations, guys.
Anyway, enough of you and Man United, yeah, and me and Arsenal. Let's talk about some signings that might happen. We spoke about Arsenal's ones. Konate to Real Madrid.
Yeah, Jose Mourinho, all over it.
Yeah. I think
I know what he's doing there.
I mean, they said that was going to happen a while ago. Anyway,
They're getting Dumfries as well. He looks like for 20
Denzel
mil.
Dumfries. That's decent.
20 mil release
Yep.
clause. That's what?
That'll be a good
That's a-
signing. Who's their right
I
back
know
right
what
now?
Jose's doing.
Carvajal.
I know what Jose's
Is
doing.
Carvajal still there right back?
Carvajal's gone.
What, as in he's gonna go? Or is he?
No, I think
He's still there
He's
though,
done.
right
No,
now.
he's done. He's done now.
No, but he
He's
was
retired.
there.
I think he was retired. or he's left the club, whatever it is.
But he was there last season.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So Dumfries will come in.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we don't know yet, but
I know what Jose is doing over there. Beware of Real Madrid next season. You know they're going to be
do you
a
think
powerhouse.
he'll keep Mbappe and Vinny?
Vinny, I'm not sure because the contract situation. I don't think that's even a Mourinho thing. I think that's a club thing. Because
Okay.
Vinny wants a big payday. And what Vinny is seeing is that, look what I've done for you guys compared to Mbappe, even though they got Mbappe for free. So that's what they'll point to. We got Mbappe for free.
Mbappe got a lot of stick this year. Still was La Liga's
Oh, he
top goal scorer.
he deserves it.
I know, but he still was
deserves
La
it
Liga's
bec-
top goal scorer.
Listen, that's all well and good, but what I'm saying is that PSG just won the Champions League back-to-back. So I don't want to hear nothing about Mbappe. Nothing about Mbappe. If he goes to win, if he goes to win the World Cup, now Mbappe's back in the discussion of certain conversations. But
could win it as well. So other news, obviously, let's talk about Spurs. Senesi, good signing.
Good signing.
And Robertson,
That's a good signing.
if they sign both of them, it's not completed yet, but that's the word on road.
Yeah, the experience.
I think that's two good signings for them.
Two good professionals.
Senesi, I'm surprised. I thought someone else would have come in for him. Maybe like a better team.
No, they probably hooked that up.
Maybe
a while
Liverpool.
ago.
There's still time for them to nick it.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, because so what about United? Tell me, I don't know who you're being linked to.
For us, it's just midfield. That's all I'm looking for.
But you not linked to anyone, right?
Yeah, we linked to Edison. I think we'll.
What Edison?
From Atalanta.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I think we'll get him. That's more of an Ugarte replacement. I think United fans were a bit up in arms about that one. They say, "Wow, that can't be the replacement for Casemiro," and he can't be the replacement for Casemiro. That's not good enough. We're not hearing that. But I've just said already. You know me, Tez. I'm on Wilcox and all those guys. Like, it is what it is. So Edison for me is going to replace Ugarte.
Well, you still saying sell Kobe Mainu, or because that was your thing? Sell him
Listen,
now.
if someone came in 60 million right now and said they want Kobe Mainu, I'm selling him.
Well,
that's not a problem for me. Just because he signed his contract, it's
we'll
not a
take
problem
you at
for me.
Arsenal, for 60 million.
Take him. It's cool. Like, give us
take
miles.
him.
It's
No,
cool.
no, no, no,
It's exactly.
no.
So there you go. So
What?
you wouldn't swap that. So that lets you know. So that lets you know, guys. They
But
wouldn't.
guess who's back?
Who?
Oh, Nana.
Oh, bro, come on, man. Come on, Tess, man.
Put him number one.
Listen, he's just obligated to be back, but he'll be gone.
You happy with Lemons as your number one?
Yes, he's good. He's had a quality
To
season.
be fair, he come in and
He's just quiet.
he secured it.
Yeah,
just
he's
secured
made
it,
everyone feel more secure.
Yeah.
Back there, 100%. Obviously, for me, I told you I want Tonali, Fernandes. That's what I want. But I want Baleba number one. The Baleba story has gone quiet.
Do you want Mateus Fernandes? Because he's been linked to Arsenal, United.
Yeah.
I think everyone's.
If we get Baleba, Fernandes, and Edison, I think I'll be cool. Ideally, I'd want Baleba, Tonali, and Fernandes. Ideally. But then everyone's looking for midfielders right now.
There's a couple other rumours coming out. I just saw Arsenal apparently being offered the chance to sign Rafael Leao.
No, I'm not interested in him.
I like Rafael Leao,
He can stay
man.
in Serie A. Not for me, man.
Also United, Chouameni.
I think with Jose coming in, it's not happening. Jose.
No?
I don't think we understand what Jose is going to make that team. That team is going to be monsters. that team next
Still got
season,
it.
Real Madrid, Dumfries, Konate, Chouameni, Bellingham, Valverde. Oh, that team is going to be a
Arda Güler.
machine. Arda Güler, that team's
Yeah,
going to
let's
be a
not forget
machine.
the big boy. Yeah, Turkish
Listen,
star player.
that's going to be Yeah. If he gets that formation right for Real Madrid, that could be problems.
Well, it looks like you lot completing 17-year-old Christian Orozco.
Yeah, we've already bought him for $1 million.
Yeah, that looks like it's done.
Yeah, so he should come in as well. I think he turns 18, so he can actually come in. That'll be a shrewd signing. He looks decent.
Yeah. Well, Edison looks like he's about to join, 38 million.
I'm not bad about that.
You need a few players, man.
Yeah.
All right, do you want to hear my hot take?
What?
Carrick's going to be out by December.
No, but that's not a surprise.
Not a surprise.
Why is that a surprise? That's been the trend of our managers.
Wow.
This is what I'm trying to say. That's been the trend. That's why I said, Tez, nobody in the fan group.
I thought that was like a hot take.
No, no one's gonna be surprised about that. What everyone's looking at right now, they're not looking at Carrick's tactics. What they're looking at now is recruitment, and then we look at Carrick's tactics. You've been given the tools, Carrick. Now we're gonna look at you. Right now, the way our squad is right now, nobody's looking at Carrick. Because everyone's looking at Carrick like, wait a minute, you got the best out of this bunch. Obviously, that was one game a week. If these guys don't give you 7 or 8 players, we're going to be on to them. We're not worried about Carrick.
Well, I'm reading Lewis Hall, apparently United.
I mean, over Luke Shaw, then yeah. I mean, if you're telling me over Luke Shaw, yeah.
Oh my God, Calvin Phillips set to leave Man City again.
Is he still there?
Yeah, I didn't realise he was still there.
Calvin Phillips collecting wages.
It could be kind of Sheffield United. That is mental.
Sounds like a Phil Jones situation, man.
But I think everyone's put their prices high. Like Morgan Rogers, Aston Villa will fight to keep him.
Of course.
How much does he go for? 80
100.
million? 100 million.
So
That's
if
a lot of
Gordon's
money.
going for that much, what's Morgan going for?
Mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fernandez, West Ham apparently 80 million.
I'm not. That will probably come down personally. That will probably come down.
That's what they're
But
saying.
that depends on who's in the race for him. If there's a bidding war for him, they're gonna say that. But if there's no
I
bidding
think
war,
there will be a bit of a bidding war. Obviously, Rashford, it looks like they're going to trigger 26 million.
I don't know what Barcelona are waiting for and whatnot. I just don't know. But
I think they're trying to get their money. This is one. Again, Bournemouth, Junior Krupi, young boy, Arsenal. I'll take him. Can play on the left, can play up front.
I'm not into those.
However, they're looking for 86 million, like 100 million euros. But I don't think...
And the other winger got 100 million release clause. Ryan.
Right? Oh, yeah, the Brazilian
Yeah,
kid.
he's got 100 million release
These guys
clause.
are good players though, man.
They're good players, but
The thing is, these clubs want to make the most. It's like Semenyo. You're going to make the most
Yeah, he
that
had
you
his
can
clause. Yeah,
out of
yeah,
these
yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Because this is going to change them clubs' fortunes. Because that way they can keep some in the bank. They can go spend a little bit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They can go find... Oh, Fulham as well. Marco Silva's gone. He's gone Benfica.
Oh, is he gone?
So
Okay.
Fulham need a manager now.
Okay, I wonder who that would be in. That would be interesting.
Yeah, so that's a good one. Yeah, there's quite a few. Newcastle releasing Trippier.
Yeah, he was always gonna go.
Matt
I think they've got a downside that because they're not made Europe.
Yeah,
They've got to
Ramsdale's
do some
returning
players.
to Southampton as well.
Okay, fair enough.
Onana's back at United.
Yeah, he'll be gone. He'll be gone soon. Man.
Cucurella looking like Atletico Madrid. I mean, these are all rumors. But you know, we're still linked to Obafemi Martins. You know what I mean? Like, and Benzema.
Cucurella is decent, man. I just don't like his mannerisms. Now it's not really for me. But decent player, man.
He's a good player. I think if he goes to Atletico Madrid, that's the sort of team that kind of suits him.
Yeah, in terms
you know,
of
like the little
Simone,
housery as well.
Yeah.
You know, it's looking 50 million. Lewis Hall, Tonali.
Tonali's the one for me. Baleba is who I want first. That's who I want first. I don't care about his form that's just happened this season. Baleba comes to Man United. Yes, now we're in business. Now, but I know how Brighton are.
Yeah.
When it comes to business, Brighton are, listen,
Well,
you're not
it's-
giving us top dollar.
It's looking like Arsenal are going to approach for Julian Alvarez.
You can approach all day.
130 million.
You're not getting him.
I would love
You're
Alvarez.
not
at
getting him.
Arsenal.
So you're going to have Alvarez and Gyökeres.
Yeah,
Oh, jeez.
that would be decent.
Oh, 14 on the bench.
I'll tell you what, this would be a good signing. Karim Adeyemi for Villa.
He's decent. He's
Adeyemi.
decent.
I think he had a bad injury at one stage.
I don't think he's as. I think it's his consistency. Every time I've kind of watched him,
I think this year's been better because he had a bad injury. He was out for a while, and he come back and he looks like he's kind of recapturing.
he's
that
decent.
form.
I liked it.
Yeah, Adeyemi's
Yeah,
good.
he's decent. That'll work for Villa as well.
Villa, yeah, exactly. That's what I was
that'll
gonna say.
work for
Them
Villa.
sort of teams,
Yeah,
you come
yeah.
and prove yourself there, then you
Yeah.
get the move.
Yeah.
You know. What else is there really?
No, just PSG winning the biggest trophy in club
Oh,
football. That's about it.
I was about to
Other than
swear.
that,
Give it a
other than
rest,
that,
mate.
guys,
And Arsenal still
and
champions
Arsenal
of
just
England.
not living up to expectations.
I didn't expect
falling
us to
below.
win.
Oh my guys, you
didn't.
see what I
I'm not
mean?
gonna go
You see
over
what-
this.
You didn't
I'm not gonna-
expect you to
I
win.
said it.
This is the.
It's a one-off game.
this
We
is
knew
the
PSG
poor
were favourites.
mentality, guys.
George,
Poor
we're not there
mentality.
yet.
You're not there
yet. We're not Champions League ready. I mean, we could have won it, but it wouldn't have been like a deserved win. Even if we won, everyone would have been like, "Oh, they outplayed you. They kept the ball, and then you won it on penalties." And
No, but I'm not one of them guys though. You
Yes,
win it,
you
you
are.
win it. Because
Yes,
we won it
you
on
are.
penalties. If you win it on penalties, you win it.
yeah, but you also won
If you win
it
it
before.
but what I'm saying,
normal play.
apart from Barcelona, who played some great football and whatever, everybody else who kind of played their football.
Who?
I'm saying when you talking about winning the
Sorry, man, we
Champions
just got random
Yeah,
people just popping into the room.
Right. I'm
Go
saying
on.
people that have won the Champions League, no one goes back and say they won it like this. They won like that. Apart from the obvious Barcelona teams that was really good under Pep, no one
Yeah.
looks at how did Man United play or whatever it is. It's
Yeah,
just,
but-
if you won it, you won it.
Yeah,
Jez.
but PSG last year they smacked up Inter. Do you remember
Cool.
5-0?
Cool, that's fine. That's one of them scorelines you don't really get in finals.
Yeah, no,
so
I
you
hear you,
remember
but
that.
that's the level of PSG.
Is that the level that we're
Like
into
because
that poor?
even this year, anyone that went up against them, they dealt with. Like even Barcelona, not Barcelona, Bayern Munich.
Bayern, that game, I don't
Yeah,
think they
but
dealt with
They
them.
dealt with it, and the second game they just said, "Here we go, we'll go 1-0 up and shut up shop."
I don't
Like
know,
they got that quality. They're a different level to most. They're the best team in the world right now.
No, they
right or
are.
wrong.
That's what it is.
You know what I mean?
That's
But
just
they're the
what it is.
best footballing team as well. They've been sick. The way they play, free flowing. Kvaratskhelia all over the place.
But what I'm saying is that if you would have won it, you just would have won it.
Yeah, if we
That's
would
what
have
it
won
is.
it,
Anyone
but,
coming to you saying, "Oh yeah, but you didn't
but
play
George,
that football,"
again,
you won it.
yeah, I hear that, and that would be my argument.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
but
won
I
it.
would still hear it. Oh, football won.
Them guys,
you know,
them
like
guys,
it was the
them
most
guys-
boring
yeah,
game.
them
Like
guys,
whatever,
listen,
man.
I done my hate watch already in that match and whatnot. But
cool, man.
But
We didn't
if you,
win it.
But if you would have won it, Tez, come on now.
Like I said,
the history books say
George,
you've won it.
It would have hurt a lot more if we didn't wrap this up as well. If we finished this season without this, yeah, and lost the Champions League final, I might be in Cyprus right now or halfway across the world because that would have been hurtful. But the fact that we got to celebrate this, yes, I get it. I was gutted in the final. I get it. But I knew it. I just, like, when we scored early and I saw the way the game's going, I was already in stress mode. I'm like, oh my God, what are we doing? Like, this is tough. The whole game, we're just going to sit here and just hope that we get a lucky bounce, might be able to get a second. Arteta got me gassed up at one stage when Gyökeres shot, it was flying in. And then he's like, handball. The
you thought it was
replay
a guy-
come, bro, it hit his shin. Like, it was nowhere near any hand.
It's got a claim. Innit? It's
Yeah,
got
he
a
was just
claim.
like, handball. I was
Yeah.
just like, but yeah, Madueke's one, I was fuming at that stage.
It's not a
'cause
penalty, but go.
for me it was, for
not a
you
penalty.
it's not
It's not a
cool.
penalty.
Whatever. But that one, obviously,
Saka's a
if
penalty.
that was, listen, it doesn't matter. But if that obviously happened, and again, people were like, oh, Madueke. Like, I had people switching on Madueke. Like, why? Like, Saka didn't do anything. And Nuno Mendes got tired, and Madueke was the perfect time to come on. But again, it was difficult, man. They press like animals. They're intense. And if you're not good on the ball and you ain't got a plan to play out and do little tactics and formations and runners, it's hard. You're not, like, they're going to win that ball because all times they kept free at the back, you know. All times. Because their winger, Kvaratskhelia, was occupying two players. Especially in extra time, Hincapié couldn't move anymore. He was done. So Martinelli had to play like a left back.
Yeah.
We put him on for the pace going forward because you could see in extra time we looked a bit.
Physically, physically, like
Yeah.
I said, PSG were coming down in levels. So.
Yeah, but we just didn't. If we had the sub, maybe one more sub left. If he didn't make two and bring on Zubimendi and Eze, and we had one sub left, and we could have brought on Calafiori for Hincapié, we might have had a bit more legs down that left-hand side as well. But it is what it is, guys. It's over. We lost it. We move on. We still got this, and then we can be happy. And we're going to next season, man. You know, you don't want to end the season with no trophies, and we've had that for a little while.
Nah, which is cool. That's cool. That's cool and all that. But listen, we'll see, man. So we'll see anyway.
One sec, guys.
People are interrupting us. Like, yo.
Sorry, guys. Man. I got to lock the door, man. These guys keep walking in. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
But yeah.
All good.
We're all good, man. Anyway, anything else you want to say, or we're good?
Ah, man. Congratulations, PSG. You are the
Of
champions.
England. We know what we are.
Champions of Europe. You will never sing that. So relax.
Champions of England, we know what we are.
Okay,
Guys, peace out.
Last one.
See you next week.